Hey everyone, Sarah here. Today we're going to go over the most important debts to pay off when qualifying for a mortgage. You may or may not have guessed this, but credit cards are the most important debt to pay off when qualifying for a mortgage. And there are a couple of reasons why. So first, credit cards do have very high interest rates compared to lines of credit or secured lines of credit or loans. So these are the ones to focus on, and also mortgage brokers take into account not the minimum payment of your credit card, but we have to take into account a payment of 3% of whatever your balance is. For example, you may have a credit card balance at $4,000 with a minimum $60 per month payment. However, on our end, we actually have to calculate that payment at 3%, which is $120 per month. So that's more than double. And then you can imagine if you have a line of credit, a secured line of credit, car loans, student loans, anything like that, those payments can definitely add up. And we have to take into account all those debts when qualifying for a mortgage. It's also good to keep in mind that unsecured lines of credit are calculated the same way as credit cards. So we do calculate those payments at 3%. So everyone's financial situation is different. So if you do use your line of credit more than credit cards, maybe it makes more sense for you to pay that off. I just like to say credit cards as the interest rates are typically a lot higher on credit cards. So that brings me to my last point of how loans are calculated. So typically a car loan, student loan, or any loan you get from the bank, this typically has a set payment. So no matter what the balance is, we're gonna take that set payment as a mortgage broker into account when calculating your debt servicing ratios. So if your focus is to pay off that car loan as quickly as possible, and then you also have a line of credit or other credit card debts, it might be smart to focus on the credit cards first and then the loans with lower interest rates and set payments last. So that's our explanation on the most important debts to focus on when qualifying for a mortgage. For more info, check out our YouTube channel, our website, or reach out to us directly. And as always, thank you for watching.